This is my friend and fellow cubing YouTuber, Cubeski. He's currently working on a road to sub 15 on one-handed series, and he challenged me to a Rubik's Cube one-handed race. As you can see, he averages about 16 seconds, and I also average 20 seconds? Oh no. Well, I mean, it's not that bad. At least I have a couple of months to train for the race. Oh, I'm screwed. Here's the challenge for today's video. Try to go from averaging around 20 seconds to averaging about 16 seconds. I only have about 4 days to train for this race, and if I want to have a chance to beat him, I'm gonna have to reduce my average by about 4 seconds, which is no easy task. That's like 1 second of improvement per day. So to make things more organized for myself, I've set a few goals that I need to complete by the end of the week. Goal 1. Learn all the important one-handed OLL and PLL algorithms. When you're solving a Rubik's Cube with both hands, a lot of the OLL and PLL algorithms are optimized so that you can turn really fast with both your hands. But a lot of these algorithms aren't great for when you're only using one hand, so there are a bunch of other algorithms that you can use which are good for you solving with your left hand only. Goal 2. Drill all my OLL and PLL algorithms. This basically just means practicing all of my algorithms until I can execute them really fast. Goal 3. Work on my OH cross solutions. Right now my OH cross solutions are basically the same as my normal multi-variety cross solutions, which is actually really bad because the finger tricks are a lot worse for one-handed than normal multi-variety. For example, in this cross case, when I have two-handed, I can solve it pretty fast like this. But when I have one-handed, even though I'm using the exact same moves, it's way harder to solve. And my last goal is just to do a lot of solves, like about 100 solves a day or something like that. I'm pretty sure accomplishing all of these goals should be enough for me to have a chance at the race. So for the first day, I'm just going to be learning algorithms. It might seem like a bit of a stretch to learn so many algorithms in just one day, but I'm just going to learn all the important ones like NPerm, etc. Anyways, after I spent a bit of time familiarizing myself with a bunch of the OH, OLL and PLL algorithms, I spent a lot of time drilling the algorithms to improve my muscle memory. So I use jperm.net, which is a free algorithm driller website, and after I did a little bit of solves, not solves but like last layer solves using their website, I felt a lot more confident about my last layer and I felt like it had improved quite a lot. I immediately felt a huge boost. I went from averaging 20 seconds to averaging about 18 or 19 seconds really quickly just by learning a few algorithms, which I was really happy with. Next, solves. I knew I was going to have to do a ton of solves of practice if I even wanted to have a chance of beating Cubeski. So whenever I found the time, I just tried to do as many one-handed solves as possible, be it on the way to school, be it in school, the way back from school, or just whenever I finished my homework. And I definitely did see a lot of improvement. At the end of day 2, I was already averaging about low 18 or maybe even 17 seconds, which is actually crazy improvement. One of the things I realized is that for the past couple of months, I didn't really care much about one-handed, so because of that, it seems like I wasn't improving, and that's because I wasn't, and the reason for that is because I didn't even bother practicing. But now that I actually put in the effort, the amount of growth and the amount of improvement that I saw was actually insane. So if you guys are feeling like, oh, I'm really bad at 5x5, maybe you should actually practice 5x5 and you actually get way faster, just like how it worked for my one-handed. Alright, it's the final day, and today I'm just going to do a ton of solves before my race. And hopefully by the end of the day, I'll average either 17 seconds or maybe even 16 seconds if I'm lucky. So I could definitely feel my one-handed improving, like my cross finger tricks, my F12 finger tricks, pretty much everything was just going uphill from here, and I was actually really happy with my progress. My F12 solutions were not only becoming more efficient, but my TPS was increasing rapidly, and this allowed my times to get really fast. I often got 12 second, 13 seconds, 14 second solves, and a lot of the times I got sub 17 or sub 16 second averages of 5, which was really good for me. So I kept on doing solves and solves throughout the whole day, and by the end of the day, I felt really confident that I was already sub 17, and that was just really happy for me. And just like that, I had improved by 4 seconds in just 4 days. But is that going to be enough to beat Cubeski? Well, if you guys want to find out, go watch our race, which is currently live on his channel, Cubeski. The link to the race will be in the description, feel free to check it out, and subscribe to Cubeski if you haven't already, he makes some great content. So I'm sure some of you are wondering what cube I used for this video. So this is the Moyu Weilong WR M 2021, and although they're not sponsoring this video, I would like to give a huge thank you to SpeedCube Shop for sending me this cube. If you guys want to try it, the link will be in the description, and you can use the discount code MCUBERZZ to get 5% off and help support my channel if you guys enjoyed this video. So that's about it for... Wait, sorry, I just got a message from... Wait, Tingman bracket totally not fake? No way, is this the real Tingman? Like the video right now, the cube will pop? Wait a minute. Okay, no seriousness guys, this video took a lot of time and effort to make, so if you guys enjoyed it, I would really appreciate it if you left a like and subscribed if you haven't already. As always, Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.